heavy. First impression is quite good quality. This is an actual metal front to it. Quite good connectors. There are actually quite, oh, that's interesting. There seems to be one LED in there. I assume there would be a red, a green and a blue one. Unless they are very small SMD ones right inside there. Don't know. It's actually quite large. It seems to be taller than a regular GU10. Yeah, it is. Not overly so though. They each come with a remote control. Which allows you to switch between the colours, turn the brightness up and down, switch them on and off. Flash, strobe, smooth. The W is for white. I don't think they'll actually be that white, it's just RGB, but we shall find out. Okay, here they are installed, 4 of them in a small bathroom. This is in white mode, it's more of a bluish white, but there is sort of an off-cast of other colours. Red, green, blue. They work rather well. You can also mix the colours. You can do special effects like smooth, or you can have a disco bathroom. I say well worth £3.60 each. More fun than traditional GU10s. Save electricity. Remote controlled. Brilliant.